Hey guys, welcome back to GreenStuff from a Garden Cat. So in this episode we are going to talk about how we can repot our Haworthia successfully, and also we are going to talk about some mistakes that we are doing during repot our Haworthia or a succulents plant. So we'll have some great tips in this video, so I will request you not to skip anything from this video so that you can understand the full thing from this video. So let's start it. So the first thing that we are going to start with the soil is material. So material is important, that you need to make it ready for your succulent plant. You need to have some big stones like that, and then tiny amount of coco peat. It's like you need to have decide. Then grubbles is that small one what we are using for construction size, and then after that we have a big portion of that soil that we already added. That one is kind of mixed with the bone meal, a regular soil, and some river sand. So this is my Haworthia that we are going to repot. Now we are going to mix this one properly. So here we need to open or pull out this plant by pressing the side of that pot, so it will not harm for the roots. It will break the sand system for the roots, and we can easily take this out. So it roots looks like very strong and healthy. It's good sign that we can definitely repot, and it will be more good. We should make sure that if anything or any leaves is getting damaged or is like problematic, then we need to take this out. And if you feel that any root system is also getting problematic, that also we need to take this out. So I will give some sand to make the pot is fulfill. So I might not have that sufficient sands of the mix, so it will be perfect right now. It's not necessary that you need to fully give you that 100% soil in the bottom, but it's okay still. So we are going to plant this one to make sure the root is going to the deep system. Here we have done the repotting, and we'll just do some changes on this, like we'll wash this one. The common mistake that people are doing during the Haworthia repotting, they're using like wet stones. That is really harmful for the plant, but somehow I dried them later and I put on top of the surface of this plant, so it grows well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. If you have any queries, please comment below in this video. Till then, see you next week. Take care.
Kaya mahal, magtiwala ka lang. Di magbabago, pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo lang.